My dad is in the living room. Where is your sister? My sister's in the bedroom. Where is your baby brother? My baby brother's in the bathroom. Where is your mom? My mom is in the kitchen. Where is your grandma? My grandma's in the dining room. Where is your brother? My brother's in the toilet. Where is your grandpa? My grandpa's in the garden.